What is up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video I have got my hands on this JBL Charge 4. JBL produces a great portable Bluetooth speaker, to be honest with you. They are straightforward to work with and great in sound quality as well. This Charge 4 JBL Bluetooth speaker is no exception with the great sound quality. Now, as usual, if you've been following me on YouTube, I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing, starting with looking into its feature, following with the unboxing and the demonstration. So by the end of the video, you will have an idea that the product you are looking into is for you or not. So first, let's have a look into the key features which are mentioned on the packaging itself. Starting with the 20 hours of playtime with the one charge and IPX7 waterproof rating with power bank feature, so you can use this Bluetooth speaker to charge up your mobile to full. Along with the JBL Connect Plus. So JBL connection means that you can connect multiple of JBL's portable speakers together and enjoy the full party music on a click of a button. And if you're considering buying multiple speaker, I would highly recommend to go with the single brand like a JBL. Now within the packaging itself, it also explains that how JBL connection works, which is click of a button, as I mentioned before, a button which is available on the speaker itself. Let's quickly go ahead with the unboxing and see what we have with this JBL Charge 4. So here we have everything which comes with this portable Bluetooth speaker, starting with the quick startup guide explaining each and everything you wanted to know about this speaker and how to set it up, following with one USB-C type charging cable. And now in last but not least, we have JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker, where all the necessary control buttons are available right on the top, starting with the JBL Connect button, volume increase and decrease, power on in the middle, so as the Bluetooth with the status indicator light and the play and a pause button, which is simple multifunction button. The speaker also comes with the microphone input, so it can work as a hand-free. Now in the front of speaker you have line drivers and the JBL logo, following with the battery status indicator light down below showing you the battery life, and the very nice rubber base too. Now all necessary ports of this Charge 4 are covered with the IPX7 waterproof compartment, where you can have an access for USB-C type for the charging, 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a USB output if you would like to charge your mobile phone using the battery available in this Bluetooth speaker. Now make sure when you're using this Bluetooth speaker around the water to cover up this compartment very nicely. Now in terms of build quality, Charge 4 is fantastic in design. The fabric around is fantastic and you can have a multiple choice of colors as well if you would like to go for. I will leave the link for all of them in a video description. And the good thing about using the fabric is that if it's beating around somewhere, if you throw it, you can easily clean it. That's a good thing actually. I like the most about it. Now connecting this JBL Charge 4 with your mobile phone is an easy and a straightforward job. Simple as that. Power it up. You're going to see the steady power light as well as the notification on the speaker, at the same time as the battery status indicator light, which will be available for you all the time. Now to put the speaker in a pairing mode, press and hold this Bluetooth button. You're going to hear the notification and a flashing Bluetooth light on it. Open up your mobile phone and go down into the Bluetooth settings of it. Make sure that your Bluetooth is in discovery mode, and within the available devices you should be able to locate JBL Charge 4. Once you select it, click onto the pair button. That's it. It's all done guys. Now you can just simply enjoy the sound out of this JBL speaker. Now at the same time, you can also download a JBL Connect application from Google Play Store, which would help you to connect multiple JBL speakers on a click of one button. Or you can select the mode as well. Right in here you can see that you can put it into the party mode, or you can put it into the stereo mode if you want to. Simple as that. This kind of application makes this kind of work way easier. Now at the same time, if you would like to upgrade the firmware of your Bluetooth speaker By going into the settings, you can do that as well. Let's go ahead with the performance test, where I will be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube to give you an idea that how loud is this Bluetooth speaker. I would highly recommend every one of you to use the microphone to judge the quality properly, because with using the microphone, you're going to hear the sounds which you have not heard before. Let's go ahead with it. Fantastic Bluetooth speaker, are worth buying a speaker or not as compared with other Bluetooth speakers. So that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now and see you later.